Samsung Galaxy Awesome A event is tomorrow, where we are expected to see three devices: the Galaxy A33, A53, and A73 5G. But according to new leak coming from reliable leaks or even leaks, pointed out that we may not actually going to see the launch of the Galaxy A73 5G on that particular event. We don't know about the reason why Samsung is not going to be bringing, but considering the leakster credibility, I think we may not see the A73 on that particular event, which is kind of a surprising. And moving forward, the two devices that are going to be coming on that particular event will be the Galaxy A33 and the Galaxy A53 5G. Both of them are kind of a similar in terms of spec sheet. Basically, if we look at the Galaxy A33 5G, we are going to see a 6.4 inch of Super AMOLED display with Infinity U shaped notch on the front. This notch will be coming with a 13 megapixel of a selfie camera, whereas the Galaxy A53 will be coming with a 6.5 inch of Infinity O display, in which the punch-hole camera will be coming with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Both are coming with same Gorilla Glass 5 protection, both are coming with IP67 rating, both are coming with in-display fingerprint scanner support as well. But there is a difference in terms of their refresh rate. 90 Hz of refresh rate is coming in the Galaxy A33, whereas 120 Hz of refresh rate for the Galaxy A53. While moving on towards the back side, we have the same square camera bump on both the device, and both are coming with a quad camera setup on the back side. Interestingly, we are going to see 48 megapixel of a main sensor, 8 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of a macro shooter, and 2 megapixel of portrait lens, whereas the main sensor will be coming with optical image stabilization support. And the A53 on the other hand will be coming with a 64 megapixel of a main sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of a macro shooter, and a 5 megapixel of a depth sensor. So basically there is a difference in terms of cameras from both of these devices, which is obvious because both are coming with different price tag. And internally both the devices are going to be pretty much similar in terms of processor. Both are coming with the Exynos 1280 processor, which is going to be a little bit improved as compared to the last year Dimensity 900 and Snapdragon 720G. Honestly, the performance of the 1280 is not yet been measured. A few YouTubers have given us a detail that there is a 3 lakh of Antutu benchmark score has been arrived, which is inferior to the Snapdragon 778G, which was expected to be coming in the Galaxy A73. And moving forward, internally the storage option will be 6 gigs and 128 gigs for the A33 5G, and this is the only variant we are going to see this year. And the A53 5G will be coming with two variants: 6GB and 128GB of internal storage, 8GB and 256GB of internal storage. Both of these devices will be powering 5000 mAh of a battery capacity with a 25 watt of charging brick to be supported. No charger is going to be coming in A33, A73 or A53 device, and there is no headphone jack support for all three devices. Honestly, removing the charger from the box will be a bummer for most of the Samsung fans, because when we look at towards the Chinese brand, they are still giving us the 3.5mm headphone jack and the charger in the box, which is I think is going to be necessary in this price category device, because most of the people will be buying these A series devices, so they were hoping that Samsung will not remove the charger. So guys, there is it. Only the screen and the cameras are going to be changed in both the Galaxy A33 and the A53 5G. Personally, I think that the Galaxy A52s 5G will give you a much more of a value for money device compared to this year A series model. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.